I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install North MIDI code on Windows. So here, if you write in Google search box Olama, then go on this olama.com site. Then let's go on this models. Click on model. Then you can get here recently launched this North MIDI code. So this is about first model for developers. Mixture export model 3B active ascending for software engineering. Let's click on this. Then after here, you can see. So this command you need to use there, copy this command. So this you can download and install in your system. So let's open the PowerShell and paste it this command. Olama run North mini code and this version. The total size is 18 GB and this will take some time to complete this download. This command that manifest and this downloaded 80 GB and here this is now success. After that you can write any messages, any query there. So test with the high. And here if you go into this PowerShell, if you use this command here also. So this time there is no any message with or downloading. Here you can directly send the message. So this is now writing there how to learn coding. Simple message there and this. See this place. So this here returning hello, how can I help you? And this is my second question is that how to learn the coding. So this is now returning this all. Getting started, practical roadmap, this all. So this is how we can do there. So this is how you can do the installation of North mini code on Windows. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.